Greetings, tea enthusiasts! Today, we embark on a delightful exploration of Iranian chai, a beverage that has been an integral part of Persian culture for centuries. From its humble origins to the elaborate tea ceremonies, Iranian chai is more than just a drink. It's a symbol of hospitality, warmth, and connection. The story of Iranian chai begins along the ancient Silk Road, where traders and travelers introduced tea leaves to the region. Initially used for medicinal purposes, tea soon found its way into the hearts and homes of Iranians. The addition of local spices like cardamom, cinnamon, and saffron gave birth to the unique flavor profiles that define Iranian chai. Brewing Iranian chai is an art in itself. The process involves a samovar, a traditional tea kettle with multiple compartments. The lower chamber holds hot water, while the upper one contains concentrated tea. As the tea is brewed, it's diluted with the hot water, creating a delicate balance of flavors. The result? A fragrant amber-hued brew that's as visually appealing as it is delicious. In Iranian culture, tea is more than just a beverage. It's a means of fostering connections. Whether it's the chayo sukan, or tea and conversation gatherings, or the gave khana, or traditional tea houses, tea serves as a catalyst for meaningful interactions. The act of pouring and serving tea is a gesture of hospitality, and refusing a cup is considered impolite. While Iranian chai is a delight on its own, it also plays a crucial role in the culinary landscape. It's often paired with traditional sweets like gaz or sohan, creating a harmonious blend of flavors. Additionally, the concept of chai khana, or tea houses, where tea is served alongside a variety of snacks, is deeply ingrained in Iranian culture. As we conclude our journey through the world of Iranian chai, it's evident that this beverage is more than just a drink. It's a reflection of the rich history, warm hospitality, and vibrant culture of Iran. So the next time you savor a cup of Iranian chai, take a moment to appreciate the centuries of tradition and craftsmanship that went into creating it. Cheers!